How to download and install the Huobi HTX app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Once it's open, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Huobi or HTX and wait for the search results to appear. Next, look for the official HTX Buy Crypto and Bitcoin app developed by Huobi. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid downloading any fake or third-party apps. Once you have confirmed it's the right app, tap on it to go to its details page. Then hit the install button. Now wait for the few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Huobi app for the first time. After opening it, you will see the login or sign up page. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. If you are new to Huobi, tap on Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You may need to verify your email address or phone number to complete the setup. Once that's done, you are all set to explore Huobi's features like buying, selling, and tracking cryptocurrencies directly from your device. Now you know how to download and install the Huobi HTX app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.